Welcome back, Crammers. Question 24. Beznaz makes 300 celebration cards so that the number of birthday cards to anniversary cards to congratulation cards is given as 7:5:3. 2/5 of them have numbers on them for the birthday cards. 36% of the anniversary cards have numbers on them, and none of the congratulation numbers have numbers on them. Work out what fraction of 300 numbers have numbers on them. So we can see that the anniversary cards and the birthday cards have them. So we have to find the value of number cards of birthdays, number of cards for anniversaries that have numbers, and combine them. So first off, we can see that the ratios given is 7:5:3. If we find the sum of this gives us 15. Why are we finding the sum? If we can figure out that 300 divided by 15 give us 1 unit, we can then multiply it with our value to find out what we need. So we can see here that 300 divided by 15 is 20. So we can see here that the number of birthday cards is given as 7. So we write here 7 times 20. So that's 140 birthday cards. Then we have the next one, which is 5. 5 times 20 is 100 anniversary cards. Then we have 3. 3 times 20 is 60 anniversary cards. And notice when we add 140, 160, we get the total, which is 300. Now, we cannot combine this right away because it says only 2/5 of the birthday cards have numbers on them. So we simply write 2/5 times 140, and we can find this out using our calculator. We have 2/5 times 140. Which gives us 56. So we have 56 birthday cards with a number, and then we have to find 36% of the anniversary cards. So we simply have to find 36 over 100 times 100, and actually this cancels out. So we know that 36 cards have a number on them. So anniversary cards with a number, and it says here none of the congratulation cards have a number on them, so we can actually just write this as 0 over 100% times 60, which will give us 0 cards with a number on them. So we simply combine these two values. So we have 56 plus 36, give it as a fraction over the 300 cards. So divide it by 300 and give your answer in its simplest form. We can use our calculator here. We have 56 plus 36, which is then divided by 300. That gives us 23/75. 23/75 cards have a number on them. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.